on the edge of a heart attack. Any second now I'll go right back, right back. So blaming it all on you somehow, 'cause I can't face the truth out loud. You're happier than